Students, today we will study about one of the most important topic, that is enterprise application integration. So enterprise application integration, as the name suggests, we have to integrate various systems. So what is the use of it? As we know that in an organization we use various information system. For example, we can say that we can use supply chain management system, we can use human resource management, we can use employee healthcare system, we can use CRM, that is customer relationship management, we can use BIA, business intelligent application or business intelligence system. Now EAI deals with all these type of systems. Now, as we know that supply chain management is a system that is managing suppliers, inventory and shipping, etc. HRM is basically meant for manager, personal training and recruitment, talents. Employee healthcare system for managing medical records, insurance details of an employee, etc. CRM is basically used for managing current and potential customer or prediction for future customers. Business intelligence system is a system that deals with finding the pattern for existing data for business operations. So EAI deals with all these type of system because all these system work individual. Most often these systems are standalone. All these systems are standalone and do not communicate with each other due to incompatibility issues. For example, they using different operating system, they use different database system, legacy system not supported anymore. So EAI will provide a communication chain to all these systems. So in a short form we can say that enterprise application integration is an integration framework, a middleware that is a collection of technologies and services that allows smooth integration of all such types of systems. Now now the main characteristics of EAI, enterprise application integration, is given by, that is, it is defined as the unrestricted sharing of data and business processes among any connected application and data sources in the enterprise. Enterprise application integration, when used effectively, allow integration without any major changes to current infrastructure. It means it only deals with the integration part. It cannot change the current information and the structure or the process that is followed to get the information. It is a middleware, as we know that EAI works to provide integration. So it has middleware capabilities. Now we can say that a middleware system uses application logic layers of different system as building blocks. So we have various systems, and building blocks means the basic elements or the main elements provide the interfacing or the integration between the systems. Now, enterprise application integration keep track of information related to the operations of the enterprise. For example, it deals with inventory, sales ledger, and execute the core processes that create and manipulate this information. So these are the main characteristics of enterprise application integration. So thank you very much.